Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Logitech BRIO firmware with G HUB, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type Logitech G HUB into the search bar and press enter. Click on the official Logitech G website link. Locate the download section for G HUB. Download the version compatible with your operating system. Once the download is complete, open the installer file. Follow the on-screen instructions to install G HUB. After installation, launch the G HUB application. Connect your Logitech BRIO webcam to your computer via a USB port. In G HUB, find your Logitech BRIO listed under the devices. Click on your Logitech BRIO to open its settings page. Look for the firmware update option in the settings menu. If an update is available, a prompt will appear. Click on the Update Now button to begin the update process. Follow any additional on-screen instructions during the update. Wait for the update to complete, which may take a few minutes. Once finished, you will see a confirmation message. Disconnect your webcam and reconnect it after the firmware update. Check the settings page again to ensure the firmware version has updated. Your Logitech BRIO is now updated and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.